Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best affordable design tool for creators by comparing Canva Pro and Affinity Designer. If you're looking for the best affordable design tool for creators in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Affinity Designer, developed by Serif Europe Ltd, is a graphic design and illustration software. It caters to professional illustrators, web designers, game developers, and other creatives, offering tools for both vector and raster design. One unique feature of Affinity Designer is its no-subscription model, allowing users to make a one-off payment for full access. Additionally, it offers live, responsive performance, handling complex documents without lag, and combines vector and raster workspaces for creative flexibility. Affinity Designer's user interface is designed for professionals, offering a complex but powerful set of tools for vector and raster design. The interface is responsive and handles intricate documents without lag. However, its complexity may be overwhelming for beginners. Affinity Designer offers a straightforward pricing model with a one-time payment. Users can purchase Affinity Designer 2 for macOS or Windows at $69.99, or for iPad at $18.49. Additionally, the Affinity V2 Universal License, which includes Designer, Photo, and Publisher for all platforms, is available for $164.99. There are no subscription fees, making it a cost-effective option for long-term use. Canva is a design platform that offers a wide range of tools for creating visual content. It provides features for designing documents, presentations, whiteboards, videos, and more. Users can choose from a variety of designer-made templates that are fully responsive and look great on any device. Canva stands out by offering a comprehensive suite of design tools within a single platform, eliminating the need to switch between different applications. Canva, on the other hand, provides a more straightforward and intuitive user interface, making it accessible for users with no design experience. The drag-and-drop functionality and real-time collaboration features simplify the design process. While it lacks the advanced tools of Affinity Designer, its ease of use and extensive template library make it suitable for quick, collaborative projects. Canva operates on a subscription basis with multiple pricing tiers. The free plan costs $0 per year, while the Pro plan is $120 per year for one person. Canva Teams is $100 per year per person, with a minimum of 3 people, and the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing. Each tier provides varying levels of features and collaboration tools, catering to different user needs. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.